It's me. So let's face it, it's back to school time. I know you're gonna miss summer. I'm going to miss summer too. Gonna miss eating ice cream, but you can still have ice cream when it's school time, but yeah, it's school. I'm sorry. But the good thing about school is one, new school supplies, and two, lockers, and especially locker decorations. So today I'm going to show you how to make a sparkly lamp for your locker. Let's get started. First you'll need a light, because I can't show you how to make that, sequins, a little bowl that's plastic. You can get it at the dollar store for like 50 cents. They're really not that expensive. And some strong glue. You'll also need some magnets. So the first step is basically the hardest step. You need to make a hole in the bottom of your bowl. And I'm using scissors for this, but safety warning, the plastic can get really, really sharp. So be super careful, and if you don't feel comfortable, you can ask your parents to do it. Or if you're a really young kid who happens to have a locker, you should probably ask your parents to do this too. The rest is easy. So cover your bowl in sequins. That's the step. Cover it in sequins. The next step is to put the light in. Now glue your magnets onto your light. So this is what it looks like. So that's it. If you like my channel and this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with all of your friends. And for some of you who go to the Glitter Girls website, you know that I have a new earring line coming out called Bleau for you. So check that out if you haven't yet, and stay tuned for more. Bye! I know you guys think I rehearse and practice these videos and like analyze the products and stuff, but normally I'm just making it up as I go, and this clip is proof. Sorry. So that's it.